What's wrong, baby? Not happy with your breakfast?
Obviously not. You
Why?
don't know how to make everything else. Just cucumber every day.
Really?
Yeah.
Maybe if you went to the gym, I'd make you some oatmeal.
Your turn. I become a gym rat. I promise.
Let's hope it's just like you say. All we need is oat flakes, some milk, banana, chia seeds, honey, cacao powder. Let's start to make this delicious oatmeal. This is going to be healthiest and easiest breakfast ever. Definitely try it.